Hey everyone, this is everyone's favorite hairdresser. I had a lot of requests about how I can do my roots at home. So here at the salon, we're going to be selling your own root color, curbside. Cut the corner off, roll it down. You'll probably need a buddy for this, I'm assuming. So if you're trying to be specific, try to get the opening to be as little as possible. This one's a little bit too big, but she has all one color, as you can see, so it doesn't really have to be so specific. If you are trying to not cover the rest of your hair, try to get a small opening. Again, use the buddy system. I think it's going to be a little bit easier for you. So what I'm using is a comb. I'm using a rat tail comb, but you can use any comb you have at your house to section off little sections and get them specifically where you need it. So I would put a bead of color down and then smush it in. Take a section, bead of color down, smush it in, so on and so forth. You can section off with a little pinky if you'd like. You can section off with a comb if you'd like, and so on and so forth. And I'll show you a little bit what we can do on the other side too. I would do the front, I would do the top, everywhere that you can see. The back, again, not so important, but if you'd like to do that, you can do that also. So you can do the whole head as follows. You can do it with a little, an old toothbrush. You can do it with fingers. But again, if you have one color as she does, you can be a little bit more, it's a little bit more forgiving, so you can put it on the rest of the hair and kind of just smush it through. If you're trying to only do the roots and be very, very specific, again, small opening will give you less color. That way you can smush and have a little bit more control over it. I hope that helps. Again, we'll be selling these for $25. It will be your own color. What we can do is it will be, I'm gonna have to make it cash only, so there'll be less transaction, I guess, less change, kind of try to make it exact change. You can call ahead, we can have it ready for you curbside. Or if you have friends, family that need color done, I can do a quick consultation curbside, and I can get you something just to get by for these next couple of weeks. And hopefully we'll be back in business here for, hopefully soon. If you're interested in this service, just email us at anthonydavidburlington.com, or you can get us on Messenger through Facebook or Instagram. And just put in that you would like this done, and I'll give you a time and a reference to be here at the salon, and that way I can just hand deliver it to you at the car. Perfect.